Alright guys, here's my recipe for bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers, and I'm going to do them on the smoker today. The pellet feed pitball smoker. What you're going to need is some cheese of your choice. I get the block, sharp cheddar, cream cheese if you like them with cream cheese or cheese, doesn't matter, take your pick, bacon, jalapenos, old school potato peeler, because you want to get in and remove the seeds and the veins in these jalapenos, and a knife. So let's get started here. Take off the head of it. Get in here with the potato peeler. Get down on those veins, and then we just run it around. Remove that core. Scrape. Then our jalapeno is ready for stuffing. Again, cut. Get around. It's a little messy with the seeds, but they're so good, it's worth cleaning up afterward. So we gotta get all of these done and break out the rest of the ingredients. So, and we're back. Peppers are ready to go. They all been cleaned out. If you like them hotter, you could leave some of the vein and even some of the seed in there. Not too much, but you still have to have a core to put in the cheese or the sour cream. I mean cream cheese. So, take some cheddar cheese. Stuff it in there like that. Or if you like them with cream cheese, it's going to get a little messy. I washed my hands. Just get it, fill it in there like that. Got a couple with cream cheese, a couple with cheddar cheese. We're going to finish all these off. But this is, we also take a slice of bacon. Because well, I shouldn't say who doesn't love bacon, but I like it. Wrap it, that's it. There's no need to toothpick it because it's going to go in this jalapeno popper grill tray. Set them in there just like that. Wrap them, wrap it around the top, set it in your tray. If you have really small jalapenos, you can cut your bacon in half, like that piece. That jalapeno is pretty small. If you want to cut it in half, you can. I don't want to cut it in half. I want more bacon. We'll finish the rest of these up and we'll show you when it's all done. We'll head out to the grill. Oh yeah. Finished product. And this is the finished product. Smoked jalapeno poppers, bacon wrapped. Oh yeah. That's going to be so good. Oh well. I'm going to enjoy these. Hope you make these in your next adventure outside. Adios.